Hope you're all doing good. Welcome to my channel, BONNY'S One Step Ahead. Today, I'll discuss with you something a bit different. I'll talk with you regarding GoPro Hero 8 Black. You must be wondering what is it? It's a vlogging camera, rather than you can say vlogging video camera. So now I'll show you. Today it has arrived. We have pre-ordered it to GoPro, and today finally I have received it. See the box. I have received it today, and worldwide launching of GoPro is on 25th of October. But I have received it. It is today, and I have pre-ordered it. That's why I have received it just on the day of the launch. Right? I'll show you the unboxing process and also will explain the different functionalities of this small but very powerful camera. So let's open it. Wow! GoPro 8! Super excited. I was literally waiting for this from such a long time. Great, lovely. Wow! Do you know what is it? I love to press it and come. Let's get into unboxing this one. You can see it's such a small camera, but it's such a powerful one with so many functions. See, these are the specifications of GoPro Hero 8 Black. The camera is 12 MP and video camera of 4K 60 with 1080p and a slow motion of 8x. That is, it can make a video of 8 times slow motion. HyperSmooth 2.0. I'll explain all these things later on, but now come on, let's see the gist of it. Time wrap. You can time wrap, make a video with time wrap option, time wrap version 2.0, and live streaming of 1080p can be made, and directly live stream can be downloaded or posted. Live burst, super photo plus HDR with super quality of photography. Then RAW. This is inbuilt mount, and this is command which you can speak in your mouth, and GoPro will obey that command and do it. This is touch screen, and this device is fully waterproof, and you can take underwater photography. You can put it in 33 feet or 10 meter deep water, and you can take videos or photographs of undersea water. And also the GPS. These are other features which are like the camera itself. Then there's a rechargeable battery, which is a very powerful one, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, USB-C cable, and a thumb screw. You can see, then you have to just pull it off and tear it. Now comes out. Wow, just see, such a tiny little thing. This is the display monitor. Such a small thing, you can hold it in your palm. Technology has made things for us so easy. Now I'll unbox it and we'll see what all things are there inside the box. is the manual. They are showing how to use it. Talking about GoPro app. What is GoPro app? With the camera comes a new GoPro app. The biggest change is that GoPro's video editing companion Quick. The previous versions had Quick, but now it's built into the single GoPro app and it's a lot more simpler. Edits are super easy with this app. This app automatically creates, edits and is super easy to share them. We need to install this app into our phone. We can download them through Google Play and for iPhones through App Store. Through this app, simple footages can be converted into super videos with themes, music and effects within few moments. These can be shared on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram through this app. And transfers can be done wirelessly to the phone through this app. There is now built-in horizon leveling and more options for music, text and video templates. These are some. They have asked if you need to talk to or chat with a person for GoPro Expert. This is a sticker. You can use it on your camera. This is the manual. We need to go into details for some doubts and the functionality. This is the mount through which we can attach this GoPro into our helmet. This is the battery. Such a small but so powerful battery it is. This is C-type USB cable. Unmounting the camera. See, this is the place where we need to insert the battery. As you can see, this is a 120 GB SanDisk which I have bought, and now I am going to insert this here. It's inserted, as you can see, the red thing, and now I'll put the GoPro battery. By pressing this button, we need to put it on. Camera is aimed towards users who are into vlogging and prefer 360-degree content. That means the photo will be taken in a 360-degree vision. The GoPro is first and foremost a video camera. They can be mounted anywhere and used to take high quality videos and photos from anything to underwater. Most action cameras are capable of recording 4K videos in top-notch quality without any hassle. The Hero 8 is designed to be frameless. It has its own built-in loops at the bottom of the camera that folds in and out. Hero 8 is a lot more pocketable. As you can see the size, you can put it into pocket and use it. There is now one big door on the side of the camera that covers battery, as you have seen. This one, only one door that covers the battery, micro SD card which I have inserted, and USB-C port. The camera features now Hero 8 Black with unshakable HyperSmooth 2.0 stabilization and built-in mounting. Even if you put your hand out of a car window going at a speed of 70 mph and your hand will be wobbling like crazy. It will shake because the car is moving. But the shot will come out looking as if the camera was locked on a crane. So the whole shaking and jerking of the car is gone. There are now 4 options that you can choose for stabilization: off, on, high and boost. Second comes media mode. Get premium shotgun mic performance, 3.5 mm mic and HDMI outputs, and 2 cold shoe mounts all in one. Display mode, a flip up screen for framing your shots so you can block as you like. Get powerful LED lighting for Hero 8 Black. Attach it to a GoPro mount and use it alone. Digital lenses. Now it's easier to get the best view of whatever you are trying to capture. Tap through 4 lenses: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide and super view. Then comes time wrap 2.0. Get that time wrap effect you love, now with automatic speed selection. Or just tap to speed it up or slow it down. Just tap. It has 8x slow motion. That is, it can give you a 8 times slow motion video. Super photo. No blur photos with every detail. Overall, the default GoPro color has a more dramatic look. Skin and dirt are both warmed significantly, while skies remain super vibrant. Details is excellent overall. Live burst. Live burst mode captures 1.5 seconds before and after you hit the shutter, so you can pick the perfect shot from 90 still images. Oh my god, it's a very good option. Or you can share a 3-second 4K video clip. Live streaming can be done in 1080p. Next, coming to night lapse video. 4K, 2.7K, 1440p or 2080p. Night lapse video can be taken and night videos will come to life. Please try this out immediately after buying your new GoPro Black. High quality audio, reduce wind noise and 3 high quality mics. We can get natural audio quality. It definitely has the nicest sound for any GoPro since before the Hero 5. Even when you were riding a bike with the mic pointed away from you into the wind, it will pick up the voice far better than before. This thing is 100% waterproof and can be put into water as deep as 10 meters or 33 feet. So high quality underwater videos can be taken with it. Easy settings. When you are wearing the camera on your helmet and you want to switch it to a selfie stick, or you want to follow a friend down a trail. Earlier, you would have to manually change the settings for field of view, frame, rate, resolution and stabilization options each time. But now you can reset them so that you can change between modes with just a couple of taps. Coming to time wrap. GoPro's need for a HyperLapse feature has been improved too. Time wrap 2.0 benefits from the better stabilization of HyperSmooth 2.0. But the real innovation is that in the middle of shooting the time lapse, you can tap the back screen and go to the real time. Let me explain you. Suppose you are shooting a time lapse while sailing across a bay and suddenly a shoal of fish shows up. You can tap to shoot them in real time and then tap again to go back to the time lapse once they have passed. A wonderful option indeed. Now your videos will be much more lively than before. Coming to voice commands, things become super easy with 14 voice commands like GoPro start recording. You will only have to give command and GoPro will start its action. Wow, like a magic. Exposure control feature of GoPro lets you select an area that you want the camera to prioritize when determining exposure. This setting is useful in shots where an important region might otherwise be over or underexposed. Press on the touch display until a square outline shrinks to the middle of the screen. Live stream. One really nice feature is that you can now live stream in 1080p. Earlier, live streaming was available for Facebook only. YouTube should be supported by the time the camera ships and hopefully more will be added soon. Coming to audio features of GoPro Black 8. 3.5mm audio mic input with media mod for Hero 8 Black. Raw audio capture with .wav format and advanced wind noise reduction that I have discussed earlier. Coming to the connectivity features of this small device. It is Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth enabled, GPS enabled, connects to GoPro app, auto offline to phone, smart remote compatible, HDMI port with media mod for Hero 8 Black, which is sold separately, and it also has USB-C port. Now we'll discuss about GoPro app. With the camera comes a new GoPro app. The biggest change is that GoPro's video editing companion Quick is now built into single GoPro app. It's a lot more simpler. Edits can be done super easily, and I have discussed it earlier. You can download this GoPro app through Google Play and for iPhones through App Store. Overall, the Hero 8 Black is a worthy successor to the throne. It's going to be my go-to action camera starting now. Just wait until bloggers get their hands on this thing. Have a nice day. Bye. For watching the video and unboxing. If you like the video, please give like, share and press the red button for subscribing it. And also please don't forget to press the bell icon for getting further notifications of my future videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. And please write to me in the comment box that how are you using your new GoPro and how are you enjoying